Ever wondered where to travel while you're young? The world is vast, brimming with vibrant cultures, breathtaking landscapes, and experiences that can profoundly shape your perspective. Traveling while young is an adventure like no other, a chance to broaden your horizons and step outside your comfort zone. It's about more than just ticking off destinations from a bucket list. It's about immersing yourself in new cultures, tasting exotic foods that send your taste buds on a journey of their own, and meeting people from all walks of life. These experiences can be life-altering, inspiring a deeper understanding of the world and our place in it. In this video, we're going to guide you through 5 must-visit destinations, each with its own unique appeal. These places promise experiences that are more than just Instagram-worthy. They're transformative, capable of leaving an indelible mark on your life. So pack your bags and get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey. First on our list, the land of fire and ice, Iceland. A country that's as dramatic as its name implies, Iceland is a destination that's sure to ignite your sense of adventure. Imagine a terrain marked by contrasting elements, where glaciers and hot springs coexist, where geysers erupt with a force of nature that leaves you speechless. Now picture the Northern Lights, a spectacle that paints the night sky with a riot of colors. This ethereal light show, also known as the Aurora Borealis, is something that must be seen to be truly believed. It's like a symphony of light, a visual orchestra that plays only for you. But the adventure doesn't stop there. You can hike on a glacier, step into an ice cave, or take a dip in a geothermal pool. Each activity is a testament to the raw, untamed beauty of Iceland. It's a playground for the adventurous, a canvas for the nature lover. Iceland, a place where Mother Nature constantly surprises you. Next, we journey to the east, to the land of the rising sun, Japan. This is a place where the past and present coexist in perfect harmony. Japan's rich cultural tapestry is woven from centuries-old traditions, seen in the grandeur of its ancient temples and shrines, standing in stark contrast to the throbbing pulse of its ultra-modern cities. Imagine the delicate beauty of cherry blossom season, a sight that leaves you breathless, as a flurry of pink petals dance in the breeze. Picture yourself participating in a traditional tea ceremony, where every movement is a well-choreographed dance of grace and precision. How about spending a night in a ryokan, a traditional Japanese inn, where you can experience the hospitality of a bygone era? Or perhaps soaking in an onsen, a natural hot spring, letting the warm waters ease your body and soul as you gaze upon the serene Japanese landscape. Japan, a perfect blend of the old and the new. Now, let's delve into the vibrant chaos of India. This is a country that dances to its own beat, where the landscapes are as diverse as the people themselves. From the snow-capped Himalayan peaks in the north, to the golden sandy beaches in the south, India is a land of contrast and color. The country's rich history and culture are woven into every aspect of daily life. Ancient palaces and temples stand as proud reminders of a time gone by, while bustling bazaars and street markets are a testament to India's thriving present. India's colorful festivals are a spectacle to behold, each one a riot of color, sound, and celebration. And let's not forget the cuisine. The spices, flavors, and aromas of Indian food are as diverse as the country itself. Among the must-visits, the Taj Mahal stands out, a symbol of love and an architectural marvel. It's a sight that leaves visitors in awe. India, where every day is a celebration of life. Lastly, we fly to the land of the Kiwis, New Zealand. A place where Mother Nature has outdone herself, New Zealand is a dazzling tapestry of stunning landscapes. Imagine snow-capped mountains kissing the sky, pristine beaches hugging the Pacific, and lush forests whispering with wildlife. But it's not just about the views. New Zealand is also a playground for thrill seekers. You can take a leap of faith with bungee jumping, or soar through the skies while skydiving. Each experience is a heart-pounding testament to the country's spirit of adventure. And let's not forget the rich Maori culture pulsating with history and tradition. It's an integral part of New Zealand's identity, offering a glimpse into the past. For the film buffs, a visit to the Hobbiton movie set is a must. Walking through the Shire, you'll feel like you've stepped straight into Middle-earth, New Zealand, where adventure awaits at every corner. So there you have it, 5 incredible destinations to explore while you're young. We've taken a journey through the rugged beauty of Iceland, where every corner turned is a new adventure. We've immersed ourselves in the rich culture of Japan, allowing its traditions and modernity to shape our understanding of the world. We've experienced the vibrant chaos of India, A symphony of colors, scents and sounds that stir our senses. And finally, we've marveled at the natural wonder of New Zealand, a green haven that redefines our connection with nature. These are but a glimpse of what our beautiful planet has to offer. Each journey, each step into the unknown, is an opportunity to learn, to grow, to become a part of something bigger than ourselves. So why wait? Embrace the wanderlust, embrace the call of the unknown. Remember, we travel not to escape life, but for life not to escape us. So where's your next adventure?